Dear students, in this lesson 3rd, we will study about my brothers and sisters. This is a story. Raju and Ramu were brothers. They loved each other very sincerely. They stayed in the adjacent house. Both were concerned about each other. They were farmers and used to do farming together. So Raju and Ramu both were the brothers, and whatever they were doing, they both of you together works in their they helps to each other in their works. They were farmer, that's why they were farming together. That year they had a very good crop of paddy. After harvesting, the grain was divided equally. Now what happens? By luck, that year they got a lot of crops and they divided in equally. Both of them collected their grains in their storehouses, but Ramu thought, I am all alone. I don't require to so much grain, but my brother has wife and children. They may need more grain. So he carried one bag of grain to Raju's store at night. One day, what happens? Ramu thought that I am alone and no need to more crops or no need to keep lot of grain. So he thought about his brother and his brother's wife and children, that he will give the grain. Then at night he carried one bag to his brother's store. Next, at the same time, Raju thought, I have wife and children. Ramu is alone. If he needed money, what will he do? So at that night, he carried one bag of grain to Ramu's house. Now see, Raju also thought that I have wife and children, but Ramu is alone and he need more money. So it will be better to give grain to Ramu. But one day he also carried a bag of grain to Ramu's store. This continued for many days, but there was no difference in the number of bags of grains in both the storeroom. They are doing same per day, but they are thinking we are doing day by day, but after that they have seen there is no change. Then one night, one day, one night on the way, both of them stopped